So good morning, class 9th D. So before we start today's class, first of all, we will discuss the last question, right? So I'm going to share my screen. So how many are having the problem in the last question, beta? Please, who will tell this? है बच्चे? Nobody is having problem?
No, sir.
So this question is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
So now let me explain again. Now see, first of all, we are supposed to declare the variables like U, T, G and S also. So in this we will take input for double variables. So enter values for U, T and G. So now I am using this and this. So after that S equals to 0.5 into U into T plus G into T into T. So now we are supposed to print the result like result is. After that we will execute this program. So now the result is coming 48.0. Am I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion? Anybody?
No, sir.
Okay. So I hope everybody has done this question. I have posted the solution in the GCR also. Right? So now just get ready for the next question, everyone. What was the next question which we have done before that?
Sir, write a program to print area of circle.
That also I think everybody has done. Right?
Yes, sir.
Good. So the next question is web to enter two numbers of. Before that, please let me please tell me if you have done or not. If you have done this question, please let me know. We have done this or not?
No, sir. No, sir.
Please note down this and do this question right now. We have to enter two numbers of integer type and print their quotient and remainder without using modulus operator. See, for finding the quotient, everybody knows we are supposed to use division sign, right? But for finding the remainder, we are not supposed to use this modulus operator. Without this only, we are supposed to calculate modulus. Am I clear, everyone?
Yes.
So this symbol is used for division, that everybody knows. And again, this we will use. And in this modulus operator is you are not supposed to use in the question. Okay? Everyone, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Please do it fast.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have a confusion. So, in some modulus operators, examples.
May I know your name?
So, Ishan.
Hi, Ishan, ask. Please loud.
Sir, I am having confusion, sir, on Medley operator programming, sir.
बेटा पूछो ना, what is the confusion? Ask ना.
Sir, can you please explain me, sir?
That I will explain later. Na? Let them try first. I will explain this. Don't worry. Okay.
Do we have to post on VCR?
Pardon?
Sir, do we have to show our working and post it on VCR?
Yes, you need to post the solution beta in the GCR only. Don't ask this again and again. Number of times I have told. Okay. I have posted the solution of the previous homework. You need to post under that only in the comments. Okay, class 9th. Do it fast, बच्चों. Yes.
Sir, I'm just posting it. Sir, enter values of sir UTG.
Yeah.
You have to put comma.
That's up to you. That is always optional. With this method, you can easily understand that we are supposed to enter the values of U, T and G. Okay. If you want to put, you can put.
Sir, I have sent you on the comments.
Thank you so much, my dear friend. Yashvardhan. Yashvardhan, you have improved a lot. Very good, beta. Absolutely
Sir, is the
correct.
program right?
Absolutely.
Thank you, sir.
Absolutely. Well done.
Sir, I have also posted a solution.
Beta Yashvardhan, there is a small correction. Please pay attention here. See, the maximum you have found in D. कहाँ गए? Just a minute. The maximum number you have stored in D and the smallest in C. So it should be D upon C.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay?
Sir, I have also posted, sir.
Rest is fine. Kashish Gupta, your is wrong, beta Kashish. Kashish,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
there is a problem because you have not calculated the largest and smallest. That is why.
Okay, sir.
If the second number is largest, in that case, it will not work. Who else has posted the solution? Nobody else.
Sir, I have posted in the comment section.
But it is Weber. It's not coming, but it is there. As you can see, only
Sir,
two.
in the chat box here posted.
Which comment, under which
Sir,
comment?
it was in the chat box in the Zoom.
Okay. Yes. Who is this? Weber Krishna. Weber, it is
Yes.
correct. But you can reduce this beta. Huh?
Yes, sir, I have used if and else method, sir. I
Yeah.
can use
No problem, no
inbuilt
problem.
method, but
That using if else also you can reduce this. But well try. It is correct beta.
thank you, sir.
So now let me discuss this question. See, in this question, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to enter two numbers. Everyone, please pay attention here. Like int a comma b, then q and r we are supposed to find. After that, enter two numbers. So I am using this a and b as input. So now what we can do? We can declare int l equals to mat dot max mat.max, or you can use the if else also. So I am directly using max.max and then s equals to mat.min a comma b. So what is the functioning of max and min method? Basically mat.max and mat.min, these two are the method which is used to find the largest and smallest out of two numbers only. So from a and b, the largest we are storing in n and the smallest we are storing in s. After that, for finding the quotient, largest divided by the smallest, that everybody knows. And for the remainder, see here, for the remainder you can see this working. So now suppose the largest number is like 10 and then the smallest number is this. So for the finding the quotient, L upon S, so this is the quotient, and for finding the remainder, so the working is the largest number minus the quotient into
into
the smallest number,
so
right?
also same.
So this is the working, and which I am going to show you here. So the largest was 10 number, 10, and the quotient was 1 into the smallest, that is 7. So actually the remainder is coming here 3. Am I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So now the same working I am going to show you here. So the largest minus the quotient multiplied the smallest, and then after you are supposed to print quotient is s, sorry, not s, q, and then remainder is r. This is the simple working. Now suppose you have entered 10 and 7. Now see, the quotient is 1 and the remainder is coming 3. Now see the opposite working, means 7 and 10. So this time the value of A I have entered 7 and B is 10, but the answer is coming same. So we need to find the smallest and the largest. Maybe you can, for that, for finding largest and smallest, you can use mat.max or mat.min, or instead of that we can use if else also. Am I clear this? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now the next question is, everyone please write down the next question. So the next question is, we have to enter 3 number of integer type and print the largest. Print the largest. Now in this question, we are assuming that the user is inputting all the numbers different. Means there is no common value. Okay? Got it? Everyone?
Yes.
Have you got the question, beta? Priyansh Shrivastava, there was a correction in your solution, the braces problem, and you have not found it the largest and the smallest. That is why it is not correct. Okay, Priyansh?
Okay, sir.
Please go through the correction. The solution I will post in the chat box or in the, in the GCR also. You can copy it from there.
It was the previous question.
I have posted the solution, the previous question, the large quotient and remainder. Okay, that you can copy from the GCR later on, and you need to
So we
copy.
have to print two numbers and print the largest.
No, beta, the question is we have to enter 3 numbers and find the largest. Okay, got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Good. Hurry up, child. And always post the solution in the latest comment, not in the previous one.
Sir, I have state.
Sir, I have also seen.
Very good, Shreya. Maitri Divedi is absolutely correct. Very good. Beta, Shreya Singh, there is a small mistake. Look at here. See, here you have put it the comma. So this comma won't be there. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
Please remove that. Before plus, there won't be a comma. Rest is fine. Very good.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Any other doubt in this question, beta? Class 9th D. Bachcho, any confusion? Should I explain this question? Okay, now see. Everyone, please pay attention.
Sir, I have also posted.
Where?
Sir, in the chat box.
Beta, please don't post in chat box. Largest is this. Let me check. Yeah, it is correct.
So we have to find the largest of three numbers.
But there is a correction in this. We need to find the largest out of 3. Okay, Aryan Kushwaha, please go through that.
Yes, sir.
So now in this program, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to enter 3 numbers like A, B and C. So now, please pay attention. So we have entered 3 numbers. So for finding the largest, what we can do? We can use math.max method like this also. Now see, what we are doing? First of all, we are finding the largest from B and C. After that, we are finding again from A and the largest of B and C. Then ultimately the largest we are storing in M. Am I clear this? Everybody, see here, whatever value you want, you can enter. So the largest is coming 355. As you can see the output. One more time I will show you. So now the largest is here 652. Am I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Now see, in this program I have used math.max. So sometime in the question you are getting an instruction we are not supposed to use math.max. Then how to do? Using if else. So now let me show you that also. Everyone please pay attention. So for that the basic condition is if A is greater than B and B is greater than C, then which one is bigger? Tell me.
A.
A.
And then if B is greater than A and A is greater than C, then which one is bigger?
B.
B.
B. Yes, sorry. Now, else would be what?
C.
C. This also is correct. So now here you can see if this condition is true, at the same time we are using the logical operator AND. That means if both the conditions are true, then it will execute. And if A is greater than B and B is greater than C, that means this one is the largest one. Am I clear this? And now if this condition is false, then automatically we are coming on this. If this one is true, that means if B is greater than A and A is greater than C, then ultimately B is the largest one. So we are storing the largest into the fourth variable, that is m here. And now if both the conditions are false, then automatically the value is coming here, m equals to c. So in this case, what will happen? If you have entered, let me show you the output. Or there is one more way, you can put like this also. You can put one more condition. If c is greater than a and c is greater than b, then this. And now ultimately else would be, if anyone is same, means if all the values are same, then you can write m equals to, you can print a message, okay, ki
Yes, sir.
like equal, all must be different. This we can put. Now let me show you this. There is a small correction,
So what is all must be different?
but in the question only I have told you na, we are supposed to enter different values. M might not have been initialized, so here we are supposed to initialize m equals to 0. So now the largest is coming this. One more time I will show you this. So here there is some problem.
Sir, can I print? Sir, I have a question.
Just a minute. Okay, Kushagra, I will see it later. Priyanshu Srivastav, I have posted. I have seen your message, beta. Just a minute. There is a small correction. Now in this question, we can skip this part, because in the question initially I have told you that the user is supposed to enter all the values different. So this much is sufficient. Okay, that is why it was not coming. Am I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, so Vedant Upadhyay, you have posted temp. This is correct, beta. Shreya Singh, Vaibhav Krishna, correct. Suryansh Srivastav, absolutely fine, beta. Beta Suryansh, please pay attention here. In the mat.max, after a there must be a comma, and before the last semicolon there must be one more closing bracket, and you don't have to print ABC. Only one is the largest, max. The printing is wrong. Am I clear this?
Sir, after a comma, we have to make a bracket also.
That is up to you.
No,
That is wrong. Please do the correction.
Sir, I have also posted in the GCR.
Ha beta, Priyansh, I have told. Priyansh, there is a correction. This braces won't be there. This is wrong.
Yeah.
Now Suryansh, your is beta. Suryansh, why you people are printing A, B and D? Only max has to be there as a output. This is wrong, the printing. Vedant Upadhyay, I have checked this. Yeah, Kashish, your is correct, beta. Please put the comma, semi-comma after printing. And whenever you are writing maths, always M must be in capital. Is that clear, everybody?
Sir, I have also posted.
But now the time is up. I will discuss this question in the next class also. So with this, the solution I have already posted in the chat box. Sorry, not in the chat box, in the GCR. So you can watch it later. I will post the recording later also. Don't worry.
Sir, is there any homework today?
No homework. Just complete all the work till here. Is that clear, all of you?
And you have to send also. Sir, we
Sir,
complete
I have
homework
also
till here.
posted.
Yeah, pardon?
So we have to send this network.
But
Sir, I have also.
if you have completed all the work till here, till today, so you can send me the mail. Okay?
Sir, what is the mail ID?
The mail ID is there. I have already informed. That is computer9d2021@gmail.com. That I will post it later. Thank you so much, class. With this, I am ending today's class.
Thank you.